Welcome to Maison Spirits. My name is Annie and we're going to make a Southern Slopes. The best way to think about this drink is as a gin version of a mojito. So we've got 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup and an ounce of lime, and then we have 1.5 ounces of BCN GiN here. That's the only spirit we're using. We're also going to put probably 3 to 4 good-sized mint leaves in there. Go crazy with it because we're going to strain it all out. So I like to serve this one on the rocks. It has a lot of flavor going on, so I don't feel the need to serve it up in a coupe like you would a daiquiri or something. And again, we're using the shake here, the actual weight of the ice cubes, to muddle our mint while we are shaking. I'm using my tea strainer here to strain out all the mint leaves. That way I could get them really muddled, but then not have any leafy texture in my drink. And we're gonna garnish it with a nice fresh sprig of mint on top. I'm just gonna tap it on my hand a little bit, wake it up. You don't need to do more than that. Here we have the Southern Slopes. Enjoy.